this is Swagata. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Swagata. Through this channel, you will learn with me various topics on different subjects. You may be a student, a housewife, or a working professional. My channel is for all of you. I'm sure you will all be excited to learn with me. So now let's get started. In this series of English grammar tutorials, today my topic is adverb. The contents include introduction, the different types of adverb like adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, and an exercise. Introduction. Definition of adverb. Adverbs tell more about verbs. There are 4 types of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree. Adverb of manner. These adverbs tell us about the manner of the verbs. Example is, the tortoise walks slowly. Here the word slowly describes the verb walks. So, this is an adverb of manner. More examples are silently, neatly, heavily, etc. Adverb of time. These adverbs tell us about the time when an action takes place. Example is, he often visits my house. Here the word often tells about the verb visits. So, it is an adverb of time. More examples are daily, early, now, etc. Adverb of place. These adverbs tell us about a location where the action takes place. Example is, my mother is watering the plants upstairs. Here the word upstairs tells us where the action watering the plants is taking place. So this is an adverb of place. More examples are inside, outside, everywhere, nowhere, etc. Adverb of degree. These adverbs tell us about the extent to which an action takes place. Example is, I was extremely grateful to him for his help. Here the word extremely tells us to what extent I was grateful. So this is adverb of degree. More examples are quite, very, most, almost, just, etc. Now we will solve an exercise. Here you have to pick out different types of adverbs from the following sentences. Number 1. The tiger roars loudly. Here, loudly is the adverb of manner, as it qualifies the verb roars. Number 2. She speaks softly. Here, softly is the adverb of manner, as it qualifies the verb speaks. Number 3. She often goes to the library to study. Here, often is the adverb of time as it describes the verb goes. It tells how often she goes to the library. Number 4. The car is running fast. Here, fast is the adverb of manner as it describes the verb running. Number 5. My uncle's family lives upstairs. Here, upstairs is the adverb of place as it describes the verb lives. Number 6. I will visit your house tomorrow. Here, tomorrow is the adverb of time as it describes the verb visit. Number 7. We are quite happy with his result. Here, quite is the adverb of degree as it describes the extent of the happiness. Number 8. John hardly plays his piano. Here, hardly is the adverb of degree as it describes the verb plays. Number 9. The baby is nowhere to be found. Here, nowhere is the adverb of place as it qualifies the verb found. Number 10. Rosie writes neatly. Here, neatly is the adverb of manner as it describes the verb writes. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please write in the comment section below. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Have a great time ahead. Bye.